Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Well, we're creeping up there. We certainly have plenty of sunshine, and that certainly helps to warm things up. But as long as you've got that north-northeast wind coming in briskly and drawing down that drier, cooler air particularly, you know, the sun has to fight against that. So we're raising our temperatures slowly, and we'll probably cap it off in the upper 60s. Right now we're at 63 degrees. We have a 35-degree dew point. That is a dry mass of air. Very dry indeed. And when you have a dew point like that, if the winds kind of calm down a little bit this evening, which I think they will do, you'll notice those temperatures falling off pretty quickly. And tonight, while probably not as cold as it was this morning, it won't be in the upper 40s and even low 40s in some locations. It will certainly be hovering around the 50-degree mark. So another cool night, another cool morning in store tomorrow. And then we'll start a warm-up. Plenty of sunshine for the remainder of the day. 62 Arcadia, 61 Wauchula, Mayaca at 61, 63 Bradenton, Parrish at 62, Venice at 63, and Northport at 63 as well. So across the country, the southern tier states are looking pretty good, actually. There's just not a lot of action going on. It's a quiet day, but a cold day. To the north, we have the low-pressure area, the nor'easter, that is producing the really heavy weather. Some gusty winds. Could be some gusts as high as 60 miles an hour. Large portion of the area from Massachusetts on up through Maine are seeing coastal wind gusts in the vicinity of 30 to 45 miles per hour, something like that. And we have some heavy rainfall as well as elevated surf, all those sort of things leading to some very slow travel if you are headed up to the northeastern corridor, down East Maine. It's going to be a slow go today. Snow showers in the western Great Lakes, and for us it's all about that high pressure ridge and that north wind. Now, with time, you see what happens. The high kind of scoots out toward the Atlantic, and as that happens, our winds twist more to an easterly direction. That returns moisture from the Atlantic to our area and helps to keep our nighttime temperatures just a little bit warmer with that increased humidity. And our daytime high a little bit warmer as well. So for today, sunny and cool with that breezy wind, but the breezy wind will be subsiding a little bit, and it's certainly nothing like it was 24 hours ago. So it will feel a little bit more comfortable. And then midweek, we'll see that warm up take place. Watch the Futurecast. I'll put it into motion. Here's what I want you to notice. For the next day or so, the winds will be out of the northeast, and that's the direction of the cloud movement you will see. Then watch what happens as we head into the second half of Tuesday into Wednesday. Putting it into motion, you see, generally paralleling the course. And then all those clouds kind of move from Atlantic toward our area, the Sun Coast. So the combination of that easterly wind flow and still some pretty good daytime heating is going to provide us with that warm up. Watch the moisture forecast into Thursday. It goes from dry to moist, and that is going to help us add a more comfortable feel to the air if you still feel you need to heat it, but I bet you won't feel that way as we head into probably around Wednesday particularly. I think we're going to crack the 80-degree mark for a daytime high. Titan radar, quiet. Not a whole lot going on here. Looks like it's going to be pretty quiet for the remainder of the day. Northeast wind at about 5 to 10 with a little bit of a surge this afternoon, 3 to 5 foot seas and a moderate chop. And the forecast looks like this. We'll have a daytime high topping out around 68 today. Warmer tomorrow around 78 with a trick-or-treat time temperature of 72 degrees under clear skies and probably a lot of moonlight out there for most everybody, almost a full moon. As we head into the weekend, temperatures continue to climb. We'll factor in slight chances of weekend rainfall, but it'll be a big, bright full moon this weekend, and it should look just gorgeous.